Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And if you are interested in learning how the Pot of Gold Shimmer Body Cream by Beekman 1802 works and get my thoughts on it, then keep on watching. So you guys, oh my God. All right, so we love to be shimmering goddesses. We love to be glow goddesses, but we love to be naturally glowing from within goddesses. We don't want to just be covered in a bunch of glitter. We want to like exhume glitter and like beauty, and we want to just be like more delicate and glowing than an angel. We want to you know want to know what? We want to be angels, and we want to glow like the angels from the heavens above. So I tapped into Beekman Pot of Gold Shimmer Body Cream right here. You guys, I found this at a local shop of mine. It's called Bath Time Boutique. It's in Luzerne County, Pennsylvania. However, Beekman 02 is like world renowned. I just started seeing this brand sold in Ulta, and I was like, oh my God, like I just bought their pot of gold. Like I didn't even know this brand was like getting super popular. So this is made from fresh goat milk. They take great pride in their farm, and it was founded by two gentlemen in 2008 during the recession. They lost their jobs and they resorted to their New York property out in upstate, and they bought a local goat farm where they just started utilizing the goat milk and started making beauty products from it. And then it just kind of started just developing up and up and up until they've created Beekman 1802, and now it's in the hands of Miss Morgan Talks on YouTube. You guys, before we start, I have to say this is the coolest thing. I'm on their website right now, and they have a live goat cam. I'm watching the goats, seriously, right now, live. If you guys can make that out, how cool is that? You can watch the goats in the beauty delivery, girl, the goat milk benefits. High in lactic acid. Goat milk is a high in lactic acid and natural exfoliant. And it makes easier to purge pores for the clear, beautiful skin. Then rich in fatty acids. Same pH as our skin. With a similar pH to human skin, it helps balance the pH level of our own skin and helps keep bacteria at bay. High in lactic acid, got it. This is cruelty free, and it's supposed to be enriched with mica silk proteins and goat milk. You guys, this, okay, we're gonna just pop it open because it's honestly lit. Here is the packaging. It's plastic. Right here it says Beekman 02, super cool, and in it is this gorgeous silk whipped cream. How stunning does that look in the light? Like, could you see that? So freaking cool. You guys, I want to, like, first of all, it has no scent. It just smells like a product. I'm just anxious to get this on the back of my hand. So I'm just gonna take it out. That's a lot, holy crow. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand. Please don't mind my nails. Girl, I had a nail situation. But this is supposed to give you a beautiful, natural, sun-kissed glow. Can you guys make that out? What I love so much about this cream is that it literally just melts into your skin. Holidays are coming. We need to be glowing goddesses. I don't even care. We need to be glowing goddesses. This sinks right into your skin and melts and gives you this beautiful natural glow. Let's test it out. Here we go. Do you see that? It is good, I believe, for all skin tones. It just kind of sinks and just blends in with your skin. They say you can use this. This is not just for vanity purposes. Like, you can use this all over your skin to actually moisturize it as well. So I really liked that, because sometimes these like, ooh, girl, look at that. Hey. I'm a glittering goddess, right? Oh my God, and I'm moisturized on top of it. It's more than just like a cosmetic. It also helps your skin. They say this product is good from the neck down. Don't use it on your face. Just put it on your body. And let me tell you something, my skin feels hydrated and smooth. And I think this product is beautiful for the holidays or like New Year's when you want like that natural glow. Forget summer, girl. Summer, we're just dousing ourselves on a daily basis with this product. But I also just think it's gonna be beautiful all year round, to be honest with you. You get 8 fluid ounces, and I believe the product, let me just pull the product price up. So the product's price is $26 for 8 fluid ounces. You guys, that's a little steep for a body butter of this caliber, but I did find it on QVC, and I wanna get you guys this. I'm gonna link this down below because you can get this product, 2 of this for $30 on QVC right now. I'm gonna link this down below, but you guys, what I love so much about this and why I bought it was because it's honestly, it's unique. It's like, I don't know why I keep like thinking of this product, but you know how Rihanna came out with that like body shimmer, and then like I believe Patrick Ta, who we love, who is the La Mer ambassador, we love Patrick Ta, but he also came out with like a body like glow from within, like yes mommy. I like them, but I feel like this is just more beneficial for you. It's like a shea butter. And I really just think it's beautiful if you want to just have like this natural, beautiful glow. So, and I love that this is sourced from like 2 gentlemen who like bought a farm, and like they're active with their goats online like all the time. And this is cruelty free, it's natural, and I just think it's beautiful. And I just really wanted to come on here and just kind of sing its praises. It does also state that it has argan oil in it, honey, and coconut oil. Like, it's like best of all 3 worlds. You guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you like this product. Let's all just be glimmering, glowing goddesses together. I hope you like this. I just think it's unique because it really just makes your skin look like skin. And it's just, it's so much more than just a body shimmer. Subscribe below if you want to see more skincare product reviews and recommendations. Subscribe. I love talking about skincare, and I love everything about skincare. Follow me on Instagram for updated reviews and products that I'm using and outfits that I'm wearing. Follow me on the Like to Know It app to shop everything. It's free. It's like a better Pinterest, and you guys are really gonna like it. Everybody, have a great shimmering day, and just keep the love of this holiday season going, baby. Stay natural, stay glowing, be angelic.